Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart a frozen or stuck iPhone 6 or 6s Plus without losing any of your data. So let's get started. Now what you're going to do is hold on to the home button and this side or the power button at the same time until the screen goes completely black. So at the same time, just press and hold these two buttons just like that. And as you can see here, I'm holding it. The screen went black, which is good. I'm going to wait for the Apple logo to appear again. And then you let go again. And that is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue, which most likely the cause of the reason why the phone is frozen, stuck, or unresponsive, it's going to fix it for you, and this will not delete any of your personal data. So go ahead and give it a try. Sometimes you may need to do it a few times to get the hang of it. So if it doesn't work the first time, just keep on trying the same method. Remember, it's that side or the lock button and the home button at the same time. You just keep pressing and holding. So go ahead and give it a try. As you can see, you can do it as many times as you need until your phone, again, responds to you and that is unstuck or unfrozen. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.